Hey guys, the objective of this video is to find the minimum sagging length. So, looking at our problem, we've found the maximum sagging length. Now for the minimum sagging length, just like the minimum hogging, all we need to do is just draw in the bar length. So we know that it has to extend from there to the edge of this bar, so to there. So it's going to look something like that in that side, and also on this side it's going to look something like this. Okay. To there. So you can see that from there to there matches, and from there to there matches, and from there to there, and there and there. Now that's going to be the length. We also need to extend it such that it laps. So we're lapping the bars. We need to extend it a bit further, and we need to find now this splice length. So the length from there to there, okay, and the length from there to there. So the reason we do that again is just so that the force can be transferred from this bar to this bar to this bar. And that splice length aids that process, okay? So the splice length is just the additional length we need to add on such that the force can be transferred from there to there. The LSY T.lap, so the lap length is given as K7 LSY.TB. So once again, I'm just going to do all of this outside the standard. If you follow along, you can follow it along. But I've done this before for the minimum hogging length. It's exactly the same process. So K7 is 1.25. For LSY.TB, so this component here, you get that from 13.1.2.2, which is this formula over here. K1 is 1, that's just from the standard. The diameter of our bar is 20. We're doing, the minimum sagging was 2 and 20 bars, so the diameter of the bar is 20. We can then find K2, which is 132 minus the diameter of the bar on 100. So finding that would be 132 minus the 20 on 100. Giving us an answer of 1.12. The next thing we need to find is K3, which is 1 minus 1.15 outside of CD minus DB on DB. CD, you need to look at a figure. It tells you to look at a figure to find that. So I've drawn it for our problem. So CD is the minimum distance of